We're going to do a multiple choice buffer problem next from the Fall 21 Final Exam Study Guide. And the question is as follows. A buffer is prepared by mixing 1 mole of carbonic acid with 1.6 moles of sodium hydroxide. So what is the approximate pH of the buffer? We've done a few of these, haven't we? Let's see, yours is going to be cut down to 6 answers. We need to know carbonic acid. That's one of our pKa's. So it's on our pKa table. It's fair game. H2CO3 is carbonic acid, and it's reacting with hydroxide in our first ice problem. And you've got 1 mole. And you've got 1.6 moles. Excess hydroxide, not 16. No. 1.6. And so you're going to make what? You're going to make HCO3 negative and water, but I don't care about the water. So you're going to lose 1 because that's the limiting reactant, and gain 1. Oh, there you go. Ice problem number 1 is done. And you know you're not finished with this problem because you still have a strong base present. Hydroxide, strong base. You have to react all of it. So it's ice number 2. You're now starting with this acid. Yes. Carbonic acid's a diprotic acid, so you can take the first H off like we did, and then if you have more hydroxide, take the next one. Starting with 1 of this and 0.6 of this. You're going to make carbonate. You don't have any yet. And you start there. Limiting is now hydroxide, so you can only lose 0.6 of your bicarbonate. You're done with the hydroxide, and you made 0.6 of the carbonate, and you're left with 0.4 of bicarbonate. So here's your pair. You got to identify the acid in the pair and the base in the pair. And yeah, I know there's a formal charge mistake that I just fixed there, 2 minus, yeah. The one with the extra proton is the acid, and it has a pKa that we're supposed to know. pKa for a bicarbonate is what? 11. So you got it narrowed down to the answers around 11. Are we above or below 11 is a simple answer. We have more base, that's CO3 2 minus, than acid, HCO3 minus. pH equals pKa up. So I want to go a little higher than 11. And is that one of my answers, 11.1? It is. It's the last answer. AE. And of course it moved my circle because it does that. Can do it again? Let's see. Ha. Okay. Yeah. And that is pretty good question for your final. Yours will be very similar. I'll probably choose a different acid. Yes, if it's an acid you've never heard of, I've got to give you the pKa's, right? This one I picked an acid you're supposed to know both carbonic and bicarbonate. And we have that.